What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I am shooting in 4K, 4K. That's right, 60 frames per second. And this is the newest and greatest from Samsung. Out here walking the dog, so I kind of just want to give you guys a little sample of the 4K camera and 60 frames per second, because it's probably one of the most used formats when using 4K. You could do 4K 30. This does 8K also, but for the purposes of this video, this is 4K 60 frames per second. So as we take a look at here, we're taking a little walk, a little smooth. Now you have some different focal lengths here on your camera, where you could do standard. You could also do ultra wide, which is that one there. Back to standard, you got 2x zoom, you got 3x zoom, 5. As we get up on that little sign there, somebody lost their cat. Oh man, I don't know. All right, and then you got 10x zoom, which will go down here. And then also, if you want to zoom in on it, you could do up to 20x zoom. And then they have a slider that makes it very easy to slide between different focal lengths. So you can go, from 1 time to 3 to 5 to 10, if you want to get that car, whatever it is. So there's a lot of different focal lengths that you can do, which I like. As we go here on Missing Cat, Maui, and then you can see here just the quality that you get from the Samsung. You got, and they have focus enhancer. If you want to turn that on, you can. Very easy. But you can see how it just basically zooms in on the subject or whatever it is. You got a down tree limb here. Yeah, just let me know what you guys think of the audio and the video. And Sammy's done a good job with the video. I'll give him credit. iPhone is probably the supreme when it comes to video. iPhone is pretty consistent. I'll say that. But this is definitely Sammy. I don't have a problem using Sammy video at all. So that's the one thing you got to remember, is that Sammy video looks good. As you see, I go from one scene to the other. Rack focus is pretty good. So yeah, I just kind of want to give you guys a little taste of it, so you guys can kind of see what kind of quality you get from using this camera. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. That is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, 4K video, 60 frames per second. I'll talk to you guys later.